Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Simplify Your Space. This video is on my closet drawer. You may have seen it earlier with closed doors in our home tour video. It fits my requirement well in terms of space utilization and ease of everyday usage. Individuals who have different requirements can adapt accordingly. So let's get started. So this is my wardrobe. I've kept it functional and simple. The top shelf is the usual one to hang clothes. In the bottom, the left side, I have made drawers, and on the right, there are only shelves. Drawers make closet easy to organize and items stay segregated. If any particular drawer gets little messy, it does not affect other drawers or spaces. From outside, the overall closet look still looks organized. Now let's see how I've kept my clothes in this closet. The top shelf is used for hanging all the tops. I've segregated them based on color and hung them in these beautiful wooden hangers which really enhance the look of my closet. On the corner, I have used these two S-shaped hangers to hang multiple outfits like skirts and dresses. Under the hanging space, I have kept these two beautiful baskets. One is used to store all my palazzo pants and other one has all my leggings. Keeping them in the basket makes it for easy access and organized storage. On the other side of the shelf, I have kept all my daily wearing kurtis. Now let's move to the lower shelves. Second shelf is used to keep all my workout clothes like track pants and t-shirts. Track pants are kept in this DIY basket which is made out of waste cardboard box. All the t-shirts are kept nicely folded here. Few summer t-shirts and tank tops are kept at the back which I don't use in this weather. Third shelf is used to store all my denim and non-denim pants. All the blue denims are kept together and other colors in a separate pile. Few more summer clothes are kept at the back. Bottom shelf is utilized to keep few kurtis and suits which I wear occasionally and some miscellaneous bottom wears. Now let's see the drawers. In the top drawer, I keep all my wallets, purse organizer, a pair of sunglasses and a card holder to store all my shopping loyalty cards. I also keep all my watches here in this acrylic tray neatly organized. Second drawer is utilized to keep all the socks, hankies, underpants and shorts. I've kept them segregated in this DIY drawer divider which I made recently. By keeping them neatly and segregated, they never get mixed up and mostly stay intact. It gives me a clear picture how many are left and fine-tune my laundry cycle. Third drawer is used to keep all types of spaghetti tops and bras. In the last and bottommost drawer, I keep all my nightwear in the file system. I've also utilized the door space of my wardrobe by placing steel cloth hanging hooks. The left door is utilized to hang dupattas, scarves, stoles and belts. These hooks are super efficient to utilize the door space and make items easy to organize and access. On the right side, I have placed this dual hook to hang my daily use sling bags. This simple pattern helps me to maximize my space and simplify my everyday usage. I use a different closet to store heavy traditional or occasional wears for which I shall make a separate video. So that was all about my closet. We also have videos on other closet organization like steel almirah and renter-friendly organization. The playlist link is given in the description box of this video. In the coming months, we will release more such videos on the specific section of our home and the thought process behind designing them. So thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for many more organizing videos. I'll see you next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.